Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can fix your network issues. If your net is not working, your net will always crash or not opening problem, how you can fix in your Realme device. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, click on reset here, click on reset options, and here you have to click on this reset mobile. You can see this, click on this reset settings like this, and here you have to draw the pattern like this, make your own pattern and click on reset setting, and now your network settings has been reset and your network is now fully working. If it is not, then you can remove your SIM card and then insert it, or you can restart your smartphone. It will work 100%. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.